Hello mga kamatinik! Welcome dito sa YT channel ni Coach Mike. Let's solve this expression. 12 divided by 3 halves times 4. The common mistake they usually make is to start solving the multiplication first. Why? Because it seems very easy, right? So don't fall to that kind of mistake. If you are given an expression like this, please remember the rule of MDAS. With that note, we will start from the left going to the right. And so we do first the division, which is 12 divided by 3 halves. We will have division of fraction because our divisor is a fraction, right? So let's recall the rule of division of fraction, which is KCF. Keep the dividend, change the operation to multiplication, flip the divisor. So it will become 2/3. Then let's proceed to multiplication of fraction. As we can see, we can use cancellation method. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then, 4 times 2 is 8. Now, we only have 8 times 4, which is 32. So, that's the correct answer and not 2. Okay? That's it for today mga kamatinik. See you all on the next video. Bye bye. God bless. To God be all the glory.